Hello guys from Iacopelli, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited. Take a look what we did here. An insane product. Listen to this. Wow, one of the most soft and crunchy in the same time. I made this at home 100%. So guys, watch until the end this pizza because this is one of the pizza most intense, flavorful pizza and easy way to make it. From Iacopelli, watch until the end, comment below, subscribe if you are new. This channel is to learn how to make everything about pizza, home and business with no secret. Besides that, let's start everything from the pizza dough. The secret is about to be revealed. So let's go ahead, watch, sit down and watch, take notes. Get a book, get a notes, let's go. Okay, now it's time to get serious because the dough is a serious thing. Let's go ahead, we start the dough with a leftover pizza dough. The easy way and the best way because this way, when you're using leftover dough, you are going to have the best product ever and already fermented. After that, 2,800 grams of 00 flour and then put it in the machine together with the leftover dough. Right after that, add 60 grams of sea salt and then turn it on. I know, my son is around, he loves to make pizza too. He's going to learn how to be pizzaiolo like his father. Let's go ahead, let's add together, me and my son, Walter, the 2 liters of really cold water, little by little, speed slow and add half amount of the water and then you speed it up at the max speed and add the rest of the water little by little. Mix the dough until it's everything ready, little bit of olive oil, then the dough is ready after 15 to 20 minutes. Right after that, go ahead and take it out, put it on the counter, form into one big ball. Now let it rest for 15 minutes and then voila, boom, make it into a ball, about 500 grams each. Put it in the box and then close it and then leave it at room temperature for about 4 to 6 hours. And then the dough, it's finally ready. Voila, this is how is the dough. So what we're gonna need here is a pan, because I'm just taking this one from the home oven. Let's go ahead, let's put a little bit of olive oil on the pan. Pay attention what I do here, because this pizza, it's a super easy and quick to do. So, save that. Now let's grab the dough, like the pizza, in the flour, put it on the counter. So look how I stretch this pizza. It's, I press everything, just press, no stretch, guys, it's very important. Just press. Press everything. Flip it over, and then we keep pressing. We look at the sides of the pan. It's very important that you don't make the center thin. It needs to be all on the same level. Now, take off all the flour, grab the pan. It's not really important the sides, how you put it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it upside down here. Try to cover the whole pan. That's how we do it. So now at this point, we're gonna go ahead and put whatever we wanna put in this pizza. I'm gonna do it with the Parmesan cheese. Make sure, leave a little bit of the crust, okay? So about 1 finger apart. Now, we go with fresh mozzarella. Then we put some salumi. So in this case, I'm gonna put some spicy calabrese salami. Or in your case, if you are in more easy for you, just grab the pepperoni. Now, what I like to do is I like to put a little bit of speck. It's smoked prosciutto. Gives a nice smoky flavor. Then, on top, we're gonna go ahead and put some provolone cheese. This is gonna help to put all the ingredients together and give it a nice melty cheese when we cut. Done with the pizza for the first part. Go ahead and grab the other dough. Now, same thing here. We wanna do it, the press, just, you see how strong it is, the dough. Take off the flour, get the dough, Now, go ahead and try to cover the whole pizza. So now we want to close the calzone the same way, the pizza the same way as the calzone. It's super easy, look at this. It's very important that you close the pizza like that. See the crust here? We're gonna go ahead and press towards the pan. Okay, once you close everything, go ahead and give it a little crust like that and press again. This way we make sure we don't have anything, the ingredients that goes out. Okay, done. Now let's make the pizza again the size of the pan. Let's go ahead with the olive oil. We want to go everywhere like this. Look at this. We want to cover the pizza with the olive oil. So don't be shy. It needs to go. You need a really good amount of olive oil. Now with your hands, try to cover everything. A little bit of oregano on top. Just a little bit to give a nice flavor. A pinch of salt. Make sure when you put the salt, you're gonna go high. This way you don't get the pinch of salt. So the more high, I got that tip from Google Food. When you put the spicy food, you need to put it towards the top and that spreads evenly. That's a little thing that is really important. Now get a knife and we cut it. Not too much. If you're at home, even if you're not at home on business, preset the oven at 200 something, so 400 Fahrenheit, and then cook it for about, I want to say maybe 5 to 7 minutes. You want to cook it all the way. Let's wait, and then I'm going to show you some secret. In the same time that the oven is cooking there, we want to preheat some veggie oil, get some red yolk from the egg, and then some breadcrumbs, or in this case we use the panko. Grab it, put it there. Okay guys, after exactly about 7 minutes, the dough is cold, the olive oil is nice bubbling, and we have the nice crunchy crust. I mean, I can smell the pizza from outside. Here we go, let's go ahead, let's take it out. Look at this, it's bubbling. Ooh, the oven is super hot. Be careful, don't get burned. Then I got a board here. And guys, boom, voila. The pizza, it's lovely ready. Let me turn this off. Shh. Insane. Let's check out the bottom. Look, the bottom, it's perfect. Whew. I cut a little bit, but don't worry about it. So, we have two options here. You can eat it like this, or you can eat it like the way we are going to do now. So the oil here, it's warm. Let's wait a little bit that cools down, and then I'm going to show you something secret, another level of tasting. Insane. Let's wait that gets cooled down a little bit, and then I show you what to do. Here we go. Now it's cold. We waited for about 15 minutes. Now grab some like this, or maybe the scissors, whatever you like, and then we're gonna go ahead and cut. So I'm gonna cut this in 6. I'm gonna go ahead and eat some already, like just from the oven. Look at this, insane, insane. Look. So here we go, guys. Let's grab a piece. Let's grab the egg. Let's grab the panko. What we wanna do here is dump it inside the egg. You need to be dirty here. Try to take it out, some egg, and then boom, on top of the panko. One time, why not? Let's do another time. 1, 2. Grab all the angles and then boom, back in the panko. Okay, let's go guys. Let's make this happen. I'm gonna make one for the camera and then a few out of the camera. Then, oil, it's hot. Not really, really, really hot, okay? We wanna test that with the flour. See? It's not really, really hot. Let's make a few more. Let's place this on the side in the meantime. Okay, guys, the oil is ready now. We made a few more, and now let's go ahead and dump the pizza in the olive oil. Yes. I'm gonna go ahead and do one at a time. Oh my God, look at this. Insane. Look at this. So we want to cook until it's nice and gold color. Now see the color, insane. See, it gets brown. Here we go. It's more brown now. A few more seconds. And did you see how easy was that to make this? Super easy and simple. It's insane what you can do with the pizza. Now it's time to go ahead, smash that like, subscribe, and make sure you watch until the end. I can't wait to taste this, guys. Okay, like you can see here, it's about to be ready. I'm just checking. Yes, it's ready. Grab something like that, take off all the oil. Now go ahead and flip it over on top of the paper towel. Oh my God, look how insane is this. So now, let it rest a little bit. In the meantime, go ahead and cook the rest of the other pizzas. And then we're gonna go ahead and cut it, present it to you, and finally taste it. Because that's my favorite moment, the tasting part. Okay guys, the last one, it's ready. You guys don't even know how tasty is gonna be this. It is insane. Okay guys, the moment of the truth. The moment of the truth. Look how crunchy and crispy are those beasts. Let's present this the way that is presentable, and then I'm going to show you the inside. So I'm gonna put this right there. Boom, boom, boom. Done. And then the beast here. The beast. Boom, 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 voila, guys. And take a look, how beautiful are those beasts. From simple tips, we made something super insane. Let's not waste the time now. So let's grab one piece here. Oh my God. Let's place this right here, this way. I don't wanna get this out of the shot. I'm gonna cut this in 4. Oh man, take a look of this. And that's the way how we cut it. Guys, take a look. The insane crust. How soft, get this shot. Top class. Top class. Wow. Oh my God, did you see this alveoli inside? The crust come out so outstanding. Smells so good. I was saying before tasting, my mouth, sorry, but my mouth is really watering. Tell me in comment which one you prefer. The fried one with the eggs and whatever, and the panko, or just the oven one. Let's go ahead, let's taste. That's what I do all of this, just for you, and for me too, for my palate. Okay, let's go. It's an intense flavor. Outstanding flavor. Wow. I get emotional because it tastes insane. Insane good. Again, I know that it's not super healthy, but guys, trust me, make this again at home. Make sure to tag me on Instagram, Vito Iacopelli, and what can I say? Make it. Wow. I'll see you every week with a new video. Guys, come here, taste this beast. You have to come here. Let's go.